I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Alam naman natin na marami nang movie na pinagsamahan nitong ating Donnie at Belle together. Lalong-lalo na nga ang movie nila na An Inconvenient Love, na isa nga itong si Direk Petersen Vargas ang direktor nito. Na talaga namang pinag-usapan dahil na rin sa sobrang ganda nga na nasabing movie. Pero ito na nga guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Dahil ito ang si Direk Petersen Vargas ay nabanggit nga itong ating couple na sila Donnie at Belle sa isang interview na ayon nga dito, Petersen Vargas and this journey so far as a filmmaker. The Unhappy for You director took us back to his beginnings as a filmmaker, recounting the influences that have made an impact on his mindset and work style as a director and this approach as a storyteller. At dahil nga rin dito ay talaga namang ni-mention nga rin ito ang ating Don Bell ni Direk Petersen Vargas sa bagong movie nito na ayon nga dito, the following year was a huge career boost for Petersen as he dabbled in the rom-com genre with two of the most sought-after young artists in local showbiz, starring Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano. An Inconvenient Love, Petersen's debut project with Star Cinema. To make things even more special, the movie also won Best Asian Feature Film at the 2023 Content Asia Awards. Dahil nga rin sa An Inconvenient Love ay marami nga ang na-in-love, lalong-lalo na nga itong ating couple. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update.